Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries. I ain't staying till the afternoon. I like you.
Well, hello, besties. Welcome back to my channel, Valencia's Life. Nice to meet you. If you're brand new, I will give you a hug, but I'm in the car. I'm not driving, but it's kind of hard to give somebody a hug when you're in the car. Today, I'm hanging out with my mom. And right now, we are on our way to a Realtor Luncheon. I got bags under my ass shot. She tired, girl. She stayed up a little bit too late. But we're on our way to a Realtor Luncheon. They have these pretty frequently whenever they have like a new build site or whatever.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
The point is, that's why I'm hanging out with Gigi for this particular reason today. I mean, I hang out with my mama like every day, but that's what we're doing today. And she's concentrated and focused on driving. Gigi also has an Instagram, you guys. I finally got her to get an Instagram, but it's a business account. Of course, she's gonna be herself over there, but it's a business account. It's for her real estate. I'm trying to help her get into social media. She's like my new little protege, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna help her build her brand as a realtor in Florida. And then,
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 12 onto Collins Road.
Child, Siri just wanna be all up in the conversation with us.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you.
Gigi is at her first luncheon.
Look at you. Man, Mr. James.
She's co-mingling. Oh, you went to school? What school?
In real estate.
Oh, they went to the same real estate school.
Together.
She's made friends, honey.
This is a lunch and learn. So builders have these great events where you have an opportunity to not only eat, food's really good, by the way, it's really good, but you have an opportunity to take a look at their models. This example is one of 2 that they have on display today. You get a chance to really experience what is being offered. And that way, you as an agent take that to your clients and let them know what's out there.
How long have you been a realtor now?
How long? A couple years.
So you're a newbie too. You guys are newbies together. Oh wow. Okay, cool.
We're not new to communicating. Is that right? That's what we're trying to say. That's what we're doing.
But no,
We had lives before doing real estate.
Right. Okay. But you're a new realtor,
Yes.
and so are you. You're a
Yes.
newbie.
Yes.
Okay, nothing wrong with that, child. You fresh meat.
Okay.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, look at my feet now. Well, look at my feet. Okay, besties. Gigi is around here co-mingling with her friends. Okay, make new friends but keep the old. So right now, she has left me to my own devices, literally and figuratively speaking, to film and do the voiceover. So please enjoy the music, okay? Copyright free. And the visuals of this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. What, girl, where we at, girl? Townhome. Thank you, friend. I made new friends. You know I'm friends with anybody that'll feed me. All right, okay, enjoy. Thumbs up the video. Okay, bye. Like I said in the previous video before, which I will leave in the description box below, and you'll see a clickable link in the right-hand corner of your screen, I am in the process of becoming a licensed realtor in the state of Florida and Georgia. I've already taken my courses, completed my hours, gotten my background check, and I've applied for my real estate license, which is required to sit for the state test. However, I do like to tag along to these events to get the feel of what I'll be doing in the weeks to come. What's pretty cool about these luncheons, which are not all the same, this is not the first one that I've gone to because I have worked with other realtors in the past with their social media and I've been able to tag along. These luncheons are sometimes hosted at a new build, so it helps you get to know a new area or a new part of town that is under construction or just a part of town that you never even thought about living on or ventured off to. But there are some different luncheons where you just sit down at a restaurant with an actual lender or special programs like first-time home buyers, known as FHA, military families using VA loans, and other informative topics. So they host a lot of events like these to help realtors stay informed, to help their future home buyers or sellers. All right, okay, so this model has one to view that's a 3-bedroom, and this one over here is a 2-2. So let's go inside. I'm not gonna do much talking. I'm just gonna play some more music. If you guys like videos like this and like this whole little journey of Gigi becoming a realtor and me becoming I am a future realtor, but I'm claiming it because I'm gonna pass my test, girl. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying stuff like this, let me know by getting this video to 2,000 likes. Girl, friend, it's raining and I just attached this thing to my head, so lace melts. Let's go. Oh, it's raining. We're at the next location, you guys. It's raining, so we're making the best of it. This is a beautiful house. I feel like every house I go into has the potential, right? It's just so freaking beautiful.